Budoy,
Madam?
faster. You're the eating? You're the finish the eating. You give for me small tree.
Small tree?
Small tree. How much the talking to you?
Small tree, madam? What small tree?
Why you don't know small tree?
Okay.
Budoy, where are you? Coming.
Madam, like this?
Hey, Budoy. What is the doing for you? What is that?
Small tree.
No. You're too much headache for me. Why no understanding for me? You need to silent for me. More. You're always telephone. No listening to me. Why? What I'm the telling for you?
You said, madam, small tree. This one.
No. Too much headache for me. Come, faster. Listening. In the fridge.
In the fridge? Yesterday buy small tree?
I'm the shopping.
Shopping.
Always come back to you. How much you're talking?
The eating tree. Eating tree?
Yes. You're the understand?
Broccoli, madam, broccoli?
Yes. Why so very hard for you?
Okay, sorry.